सबैलाई नमस्ते। बङ्गलादेशले पहिलोपल्ट उमेर समूहको साफ च्याम्पियनसिपको उपाधि जितेको छ। सातोबाटो स्थित एन्फा कम्प्लेक्समा बुधबार भएको साफ अन्डर 20 को फाइनलमा घरेलु टोली नेपालीलाई 4-1 ले पराजित गर्दै बङ्गलादेशले उपाधि जितेको हो।
Oh, that is a nasty foul, and that might be an early yellow card for Mohammad Rajiv Hussain. What an intense game this, Avinav.
Oh! That was close. That was close. A moment when the Nepali fans had their hearts in their mouth. It was supposed to happen in Dashra Stadium. Long ranger by Nepal, and what a clearance that was. Mohammad Asif, talk about the attempt and talk about the save. You come, you pay for a final, and this is what you get.
Nirajan Dhami with a long ranger. Oh, how much closer can you get? Mohammad Asif with a Superman save.
Was Samir Tamang playing from the deep this time. Long ranger, easily into the hands of the goalkeeper. Kirat Sheikh. It's a routine save for him.
You see once again, Kushal Deuba. Oh, that was a nutmeg, wasn't it? Nirajan.
Another long ranger from Nirajan. He is making life difficult for Mohammad Asif at the moment. We'll be on a break. There needs to be a quick run of Samir. Samir might be clean through. He's still on the ball. Two defenders made life difficult for Samir. While still looking to build on this attack. There has been no foul. Goal.
Samir trying to put Nirajan through here.
Nirajan can go clean through. Some players arriving in the box. Nepal can make a difference.
Hussain.
It's a cross. That goes wide for Bangladesh. The crowd is roaring. What a chance. What a chance that was.
What a header that was from the Bangladeshi defender. I was talking about
Nirajan winning the ball. Good pressure by his teammate. Nirajan going for the lower one this time. Once again missing the target. Will only be a goal kick. We thought there was a hand by the goalkeeper. Nirajan saw the opportunity and he took it, only to shoot it wide.
Neeraj winning the ball. Nirajan was the one who was firing.
Oh, what a goal! Mirajul Islam striking the ball on the right side of the post. Bangladesh lead on the stroke of the halftime. The home team is taken back by surprise. The arena is silenced and the Bangladeshi rejoice. What a free kick by Mirajul Islam.
As they say, it is one from the heavens. The goalkeeper Asadul with a cross here could be dangerous. Bangladesh take another goal here. The Bengal Tigers roar again, and this time Nepal might be done and dusted. This is another blow from Bangladesh, and they have been quite brave and they have been quite effective. The Bengal Tigers taking another goal for themselves.
Well, it's once again Mirajul Islam. Talk about the quality of that cross. Was going either way.
And now Mirajul coming forward from the left hand side. Mirajul with an opportunity here. He's on a hat trick. Mirajul Islam sets it up for Robbie. Robbie Hussain! Electrifying move there by the Bangladeshi players. And they're the one to get the third goal here. Mirajul Islam, this time the provider. And Robbie Hussain Rahul scores the third. Ram with a cross inside the box. There can be an opportunity here. Nepal! And that is the first goal for Nepal. Samir Tamang. Can it be coming for Nepal? That is the question. The mighty Gorkhalis fight back once again. A good pace there by the Nepali player, but he was brought down. And the Bangladeshi player goes down. Urjan Shrestha. This is amazing now. This guy Robbie Hussain with the cross, and this time it's a clearance. Still Nepal going forward. Still Nepal.
Has been given as a goal, Abhinav. It has been given as a goal by the referee. Straight into the hands of the keeper. And that is the final whistle. Bangladesh rejoice. What a match we've witnessed today. Bangladesh has clinched their very first SAF Under-20 championship title right here on the Nepali soil. And you can feel the excitement in the air. The young lads from Bangladesh have given it their very first game to the last minute of the final. Nepal showed the class. They looked the best in every aspect. What a day it was. But Bangladesh coming on top despite Nepal coming close in so many occasions.